Good morning, it's Monday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. He actually has a work meeting this morning, which they have, I feel like every other month. In the beginning of the month on a Monday, they usually do a meeting and they have bagels, cream cheese, fruit, donuts, coffee. So on those days, like every other month, I can pack him a little bit lighter because they all fill up on carbs in the morning. So I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry Propel water, a Pepsi vanilla, some leftover garlic parmesan chicken wings from Super Bowl last night, some leftover shrimp cocktail from Super Bowl last night in this container. This is a Good Bin container and this is from TJ Maxx, I believe. Like I got a set of these. A banana, and then a yogurt. This is the strawberry cheesecake flavor. So I don't even know that he'll need all this because again they fill up, but I don't know, like him to have a little bit more than not enough. So this is what I'm packing him today. I honestly might even throw in a granola bar as well, just in case. But yeah, I'll see you later. Good morning, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Propel watermelon water, a Pepsi vanilla sandwich here. This is the butter bread from Sara Lee. It is turkey, Swiss cheese, mayo, and spring mix. A Chobani s'more yogurt flip. One of the P3 portable protein packs, turkey almonds and Colby Jack. And a chewy less sugar, peanut butter, and chocolate granola bar. That's what he's taking today. We will see you later. Hey guys, for lunch today, I am out doing errands, and I actually got some homemade cream of broccoli soup from this local, like, mom and pop place. It is like a nasty, rainy day, so I was craving like soup, and I would have gone home and eaten, but I just didn't have time. I ran out of time with the errands I had to do. But I'm having this, and I still have a little bit of coffee left from this morning, and I did buy a Dr. Pepper because I forgot to bring my water cup with me while I was out doing errands. But this is what I'm having today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, I'm getting ready to pack up Matt for work lunch. I'm giving him a wild cherry Pepsi. I have to go in the basement and grab a Gatorade, but I'm also going to give him a Gatorade and of course the water cooler. This sub yesterday I got at Market 32. It is an 8-inch All-American sub on everything. So it has ham, turkey, roasted red pepper, mayo, cheddar cheese on an everything roll. I like making him these sometimes. But yesterday I was at Price Dropper, or Market 32, it's owned by the same company. And I saw this and it just looked really good, and I thought, hey, I'll get it for him. I think it was like $4.99 or $5.99, so it was like $5 or $6 for this. And they put a good amount of meat on there. I'm also giving him a Chobani flip in the strawberry cheesecake, a cheese stick, and one of these PB&J dippers. So it's got peanut butter filled wafers with strawberry or raspberry jam. I also found this at Market 32 yesterday in the checkout line. But yeah, this is what he is taking today, plus the Gatorade. Grady has a 2-hour delay at school because the roads are complete ice. They could very well cancel school too. But anyways, I have to figure out what I'm doing as far as my son, because I'm supposed to be at work in an hour, but he has a 2-hour delay. So I just have to figure all that out, but regardless, I'll either see you later or tomorrow. Alright, I wanted to share these products really quickly with you guys, because if you've been watching my lunch videos for pretty much any amount of time, you've seen me use and talk about the Terrapin Ridge Farm aiolis a lot. I actually have a bottle of this in my fridge right now that's half empty. Every once in a while I'll get lucky and I can find one at TJ Maxx for like $4. They do retail for more than that, but if you want a wide array of all the products they make way more than just aiolis and sauces. They make all kinds of spreads, mustards, and different simmering sauces. They have a whole line of products. They are based out of Florida. I'm not an affiliate with them or anything like that. I just host giveaways for them in the past, and they were super kind enough to send me these products. They're also coming out with a bunch of new things, like completely new concept things that hopefully the lady said she can send me when they release them. But these are pretty much all these here. I have used several bottles of each throughout the years. So I've got Buffalo Ranch here, which I've had several of. I have a half full one now, like I said. This is really good with chicken salad, with turkey sandwiches. Also, all these aiolis are good as like a finishing sauce. When I make turkey burgers, I will put them on my turkey burgers. We put them on our beef burgers in the summertime when we grill. The everything aioli is delicious on any kind of sub or sandwich or wrap. The bacon aioli is awesome on turkey burgers or beef burgers. This pesto aioli is really good on chicken, grilled chicken or grilled shrimp. It has a nice pesto flavor. The jalapeno one is delicious as well. We've used this on all different things. We've also used these on top of like fries or like as a dipping sauce. And they also sent me this dill pickle mustard, which I'm super excited about to put on like kielbasa or hot dogs, summer sausages, things like that. So I was very excited to get this package, but I just wanted to share it because I get so many questions about these aiolis and sauces whenever I mention them. So I will link their website down below if you want to just check out what they have. And also, like I said, every once in a while you can get lucky and find some of these products at like TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Home Goods. So I just wanted to give you that heads up. But yeah, that's just something quickly I wanted to share with you before we get on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, it's Thursday and I actually had lunch already at work, but I am out doing errands and I happen to be around where my husband is working, so I text him and asked him what he wanted me to bring him because that was the game plan for Thursday. And he said Burger King. We rarely eat fast food. We do like it, but we don't really eat it that much only because I prepare most of our meals at home, as most of you guys know. But he asked for Burger King, so I just got him some fries and a Whopper and a Dr. Pepper. Not the healthiest lunch, but that's what he was craving, and it actually had been a long time since he had had Burger King. So that is what I picked up for him. I just dropped it off to him at work and then I headed back to work myself, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to head to work myself. I have my coffee here. I've got my black tea, lemon, Spindrift, sparkling water here. Same wrap as Matt, except no cheese. So it's the chicken salad spring mix, Buffalo Ranch on the wrap. I've got one of these sliced apples and peanut butter little packs from Aldi. I went to Aldi last night after work to get some groceries. And I'm taking some of these. I'm also going to take a couple of these cutie little oranges. Also, they're the Aldi brand cuties as well. And then I have a few things at work that I can get me, that I can get me through the day. Good morning. It's Friday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry Propel, a wild cherry Pepsi. The wrap you saw me make is chicken salad, Swiss cheese, and spring mix with a little bit of the Buffalo Ranch. I've got some Cracker Barrel extra sharp yellow cheese with pepperoni and crackers to make like little cracker pepperoni cheese sandwiches. I found this, I believe, at Target, I think. I'm pretty sure at least. And then I've got pizza flavored little Pringle cup, and I'm just going to peel these two cuties quickly and put them in here and he'll be all set. Thank you so much for watching this week's What's for Lunch video. I have a whole playlist of these videos linked down below in the description box. Have a great day and I will see you in the next one.